Hey kids, as you learned in the Bible lesson today, God kept his promise to Noah and his family by rescuing them from the flood. The Bible tells us that God will keep his promises to us too. In Psalm 36 verse 7 it says, "How precious is your steadfast love, O God."
So to remember that lesson today, we're going to put together Noah's Ark. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to get out all your pieces.
There are 4 of them in your kit.
And then also you're going to want to get your markers out of your kit. So as we're putting this together, let's remember and think about how God kept his promises to us every single day. And then also how God did with Noah is he keeps us safe all the time. And there are pictures that come with this, but I would love to see you guys be super creative. And then if you can, it would be really fun to take a picture of your completed project and show it off. All right, so now that we have all our pieces colored out, we're going to start putting it together. And I'm going to say for the younger kids, it'd be really good if the parents put this together because it's a little bit more trickier than it looks. And then the kids can have fun playing with it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is fold along the lines.
So this is your base piece that you're starting with, and it has a nice little area right here. You could write your name or the year that you made this. You're going to fold all along the lines.
So parents, as you can see, it is a little tricky. There's a lot of folds and tucks to go in on this.
And once everything is folded, you're going to be taking your tabs, and there are little slits that you can see to tuck those in.
And even if it doesn't go well right away, it will go together. Sometimes you kind of really have to press on those tabs to get that together.
See the shape of your boat starting to form.
And kids, this is a good time to remember is, well, what happened with that boat? It was kind of just floating on water out in the middle of nowhere. So Noah really had to trust God and that God was going to protect him. And God actually was going to rescue him.
So after you get your first 4 main tabs on each corner, you can fold down these parts, make sure those are ready. And these tabs here actually tuck into these slots in the bottom of the boat. Yeah.
And that just makes it really more sturdy. So then after you get this part done, then you're going to want to put this base on. So it's going to be this base right here.
And you'll have this rectangular piece that comes out of it. You can just punch that out. And it has these tabs around it, which will fit inside the slots along the edge of your ark.
And this is a good time to punch out that little door, because you're not going to be able to do that once it's all closed up.
Great point. Once that's in, you're going to set it aside and work on your next piece.
And that's going to be this base right here. And again, they have little circles here that you're going to want to punch out. And then go ahead and open the door a little bit too.
that, and then fold on your pieces. And insert that tab into the slot over here. Next is your roof. This rectangle you fold in half, and it has a slot on each side for you to fit onto the ark.
And you're going to want to do this first before you put it in the center. Now here's the trick, is to remember that this door and this door should line up together.
And you can just fit it right down into the boat part.
And there you have it, your Noah's Ark.